हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पावर ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको एक क्विक स्नैक आइटम बताऊंगा जो कि फैट लॉस डाइट में आप ज़रूर यूज़ कर सकते हो। नाउ दिस विल हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन बिकॉज मैं ग्रीक योगर्ट यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। Remember friends, to lose your weight, to lose your fat, you will need to go into calorie deficit. Before we see the recipes friend, if you like this video, if you like the information I'm sharing through my channel, definitely do consider subscribing to my channel. Press that like button, press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, leave some comments, some suggestions for me, and if you have any questions, put it down in the comments box below and enjoy this video. And if it is actually helping you, do consider subscribing to my channel. Help me grow. Like this video, put some comments, any questions that you have.